we're going to go over lesson 1.07. Look at number 1, the variables x and y have a proportional relationship, and y equals 10 when x equals 8. What is the value of x when y is 15? So with a proportional relationship, we first need to find that constant rate of proportionality. We do that by doing y over x. So in this case, 10 over 8, which simplifies to 5 over 4. Now I can write an equation. So the equation is always y equals this constant rate of proportionality times x. So we're just plopping that in there. Now from here, we're going to take this y value they give us and plug it in. So 15 is equal to 5 over 4 times x. So now I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction so that I can cancel it out. So I'm going to multiply by 4 over 5, so times 4 over 5. So this side now looks like 15 over 1 times 4 over 5 is equal to, those cancel, x. So I'll cross cancel. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then I'll multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. So my x value here is 12. Let's look at number 2. The variables x and y have a proportional relationship, and y equals 12 when x equals 18. So we're going to start the same way. We're going to do y over x. So in this case, that's 12 over 18, and then we'll simplify it. Those are both multiples of 6, so this is 2 over 3. So I'm going to write my equation. Y equals this value, and then an x. Now I'm ready to plug in my x value they gave me, which is 2. So my equation becomes y equals 2/3 times 2. Okay, so y equals 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 4 over 3, which simplifies to 1 1/3. All right, let's go ahead and look at number 3. Which equation represents a proportional relationship? So a proportional relationship is always going to be y equals something x. So the only one that has that formatting is C. Let's look at number 4. The graph of a proportional relationship contains the point 35, 5. What is the equation of the relationship? So we start by doing y over x. So here's my x, here's my y. So I wind up with 5 over 35. And that simplifies to 1 over 7. Proportional relationships are always y equals something x. That something is the value we just solved for. So this is y equals 1 over 7x. Let's go ahead and look at number 5. The variables x and y have a proportional relationship, and y equals 1/2 when x equals 3/5. Write an equation to represent this relationship. So I'm going to start by doing y over x. So my y is 1/2 and my x is 3/5. So I'm going to write that as 1/2 divided by 3/5, which is 1/2 times 5 over 3. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So my constant of proportionality is 5 over 6. So it's y equals something x, and that something is always that constant rate of proportionality. So my equation is y equals 5/6 x. Please reach out with any questions.